This 2022 Forest River R-Pod 201 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV antenna, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, self-contained, water heater, microwave, skylight, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River R-Pod 201 is 5,003 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.